Good morning students, welcome to YouTube channel of St. Joseph Senior Secondary School Pipariya. I am Aishwari is here to teach you chapter 19, Our Earth. Students, as you all know, we live on which we live. So, Earth. Look at this picture of the Earth. This is Earth. The Earth is made up of water and land. See, you are able to see these things. The blue one is ocean and the green and yellow part is our land. The Earth is surrounded by air. Most of the Earth's surface is water. As you all were seeing in this picture, blue part is water. So most of the Earth's surface is water. The land on the Earth is divided into big pieces called continents. And on Earth, the land is divided in different continents like Asia, Argentina, America, etc. Right? So these are continents. On these continents we have many different countries. Countries like India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, Nepal, Myanmar, etc. So on these continents, we are having many different countries. What does the land look like? Not all the earths look like flat or even, right? It can take many different shapes. Somewhere hills are there, somewhere valley is there, water is there, or maybe flat is there. So the earth is having many different shapes. So in some plains land is flat. A flat land is called a plain, where the land is flat like this. So the flat land is called a plain. People live on plain and grow food on it in their fields. Most cities, towns and villages are found on the plains. Where the plain is there, at there only the people can grow their food. They can live at that places. So most of the cities and towns and villages are found on the plains. In some places, the land is high pointed. Such parts of land is called a hill. A very big hill is called a mountain, like Himalayas. And where small hills are there is called hills. Some mountains have snow on top of them. The top of a mountain is called its peak, where we call choti in Hindi, right? माउंटेन की चोटी, पहाड़ों की चोटियाँ, है ना? So in English we call them as a mountain's peak. Some areas of land are covered with trees and plants. They are called forest. Everywhere water is not there, na? Somewhere land is also there, and on land plants and animals live. So where there is many plants, where there is many plants, so there are called forests. Many wild animals live in the forest. Some animals of land are sandy or bare. They are not covered by plants and trees. They are called desert, where there is sandy, a bare land That land we call it as desert. Deserts have almost no rainfall. There are minimum rainfall is there. Not many people live there because life is difficult in a desert. Then see, plains we can easily grow plants. The mountains, forest, many plants are there, and desert, sandy land. Water. Water on the earth is found in rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans. Water is also found under the ground. Oceans are the largest water bodies on the earth. As you all know, that ocean is the largest water bodies on the earth. A sea is the smaller than an ocean. Ocean and sea has salty water in them. We cannot use this water for drinking or cooking. We can drink salty water? No, we cannot drink salty water. So, we cannot drink and cook with the help of salty water. So, we are not able to use oceans or seas water directly. A river is a body of water that starts in the mountains. It flows across land to the sea. Rivers have fresh water in them. They get their water from rainfall or snow. As they are starting point of river is mountains. So rivers have fresh water in them. We can drink this water because this water is from rainfall or from snow melt. A lake is a body of water that is surrounded by land. Lakes get their water from a river, rainfall, or from underground springs. Most lakes have fresh water in them. There is very little fresh water on the earth. We must not waste water, as earth is having very less percentage of fresh water. It is almost 0.03% of fresh water in the land. So we should not waste the water. We should preserve water. Fresh water we should keep properly. Rivers, lakes, oceans, stream, ponds, seas, well, and tube well. Drinking water. As you all know, we cannot drink ocean or sea's water because it is salty. So, we can purify the water. So, drinking water. We drink water that we get from rivers and lakes. But rivers and lakes, water may contain dirt and germs. Waste water from factories makes rivers and lakes dirty. As you all are watching movies or somewhere you have seen that factories are near to the rivers and seas and they are throwing their waste in the rivers, and many a times you also throw idols of god and goddesses in the river, right? So do you think the water of river is pure and germ free? No, We cannot drink water directly of river also. Sometimes people throw garbage into the rivers. This also makes the water dirty. It is not safe for direct drinking. River water is first made clean and fit for drinking. Then it is sent through pipes to our homes. We should filter this water before using it. Filtered and boiled water is safe for drinking. So, many a times at your homes also you have purifier to purify the water. This water is first filtered and then it is sent to you. You are not drinking direct water from the river. Air. We know that people, animal and plants need air to stay alive. We breathe it in all the time. As you all are breathing right now also, you are taking breathe. So, plants, animals and peoples can live without air? No, we cannot survive. So, the air we breathe needs to be clean and fresh. Smoke from vehicles and factories makes the air dirty. When we breathe this dirty air, it can make us ill. If you are not taking a fresh air, you may get some health disease. Plants and trees help to keep the air fresh. This is why they are so important for us. We should grow more and more trees around us so plants and trees can keep our surrounding. Plants help us to clean the air. Dirt and dust is not good for us. So allow plants to clean the air. Here we have completed this chapter. Thank you and bye students.